Portland Pet Food Company is a manufacturer of all-natural human-grade cat meals and dog meals, as well as all-natural treats. I really created this company out of necessity. I had a 14-and-a-half-year-old poodle who wasn't eating, and she was dwindling away on me. The vet had sort of given up on her, and I started cooking, and Rosie started eating. For the first time, she ate vegetables in her life, and she lived to be almost 17 years old just eating Portland pet foods. We make them with Bob Red Mill's flours, and we work with the local breweries to upcycle their spent grains. And we also offer grain-free options too in our treat line. Portland pet food meals are very healthy because we only use all-natural human-grade ingredients. In all of our products, we use only 11 or less ingredients. I always say to customers, look at the label. If you can't pronounce it, you don't understand what it is, then why would you feed it for your dog? All of our ingredients are ingredients that you would recognize and find in your own pantry. We really love working with Market of Choice because they support local companies, and they have been very supportive of Portland Pet Food since the very beginning. And we wouldn't be where we are today without their early support of our products.